Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn SQL coding. We'll start by understanding what SQL is and why it's so important in today's data-driven world. SQL, or Structured Query Language, allows you to communicate with databases, performing tasks like retrieving, updating, and deleting data. It's a fundamental skill for anyone working with information, opening doors to many career opportunities. Let's dive into the basics. Now, let's explore the core commands you'll use most often. The select statement is your primary tool for querying data, allowing you to specify exactly what information you need. Insert helps you populate your databases with new records. Update lets you change existing data, and delete removes unwanted entries. Mastering these 4 commands forms the foundation of your SQL journey. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. On another note, if you're looking to simplify your financial life and think differently about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book that can truly change your perspective. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly learn SQL, hands-on practice is key. Begin with online resources that offer interactive exercises, allowing you to write and execute queries directly. Don't just read, actively solve problems. Consider working on small personal projects, perhaps managing a simple inventory or a list of your favorite books. This practical application solidifies your understanding and builds confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.